I'm Greg Quintard, Hospitality Management Instructor at National Community College. For us, a big takeaway is that it helps us, it's a big commitment here at the college, making our students career ready when they graduate. They were able to take things that they learned in class and apply them in a real world situation, working in teams with a nutritionist and a chef.
Today, National Community College's culinary program and the North Carolina Sweetpotato Commission got together for a collaborative effort. We had influencers from all over the nation come to our kitchen and cook with our culinary students. And I think the kids had a good time as well. I think they enjoyed pairing up with some people that do this professionally. And I think that they learned a lot about how to work under time constraints.
My name is Chef Carlo. I'm an instructor here at National Community College. Biggest take on the Sweet Potato Challenge, I believe our students learned about career readiness, meaning they were able to apply everything that they learned here at school in the competition. They had no recipes. They were able to assist the competitors into last-minute requests, and they were able to apply everything they learned into that moment to help all the contestants.